The way URock School of Music, this facility is set up, it's about 2,000 square feet. You walk in, we have this stage that we built, and we've got lights and a PA mounted, and there's a foyer for the kids to come in, or adults, cubbies, hang up your coats and your snowy boots in the winter. Guitar room, where we teach guitar lessons, bass lessons, band. You can do full band stuff. There's an electronic drum set, vocal lessons, and keyboard lessons. We can do that all in there. Then we have the jam room, which is where we do full bands. We've got the PA. I spend most of my time in the jam rooms. And we also have a drum room. I think we have 5 drum kits in there now. PA, so the teacher can speak to the students while playing, as well as a guitar. We do minor guitar repairs, change strings, can do basic stuff. 3 rooms to teach out of, plus a performance space as well. We can record full bands, we can do demos, we can use GarageBand. It seems to be the most accessible to most people, so that's the one that we use here, and it's come a long way, man.